What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, How to Access the Archived Gmail. In today's tutorial, we'll be showing you how to access your archived Gmail. Now, let's start by opening your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, let's first try to archive one email. Let's just archive this email from the Notion team. After that, navigate to the left side of the screen, which you will be able to see all Gmail features in the left sidebar. Click More to expand the additional labels, and then scroll down and click on the All Mail option. From here, you will notice that there's no Archive tab or button here. So what we're going to do is to search for the email we archived before. Just type the sender's email or the subject or even a keyword. So here, we can now see the email we archived a while ago. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.